Okay guys, so we'll just be using FVG today. That's a fair value gap, and let's see if we can push this account to over 100k from our like 59k. Right now, a fair value gap is just like a gap in between the 2 weeks on a candlestick, just like around this range, a first minor wick here and then a second minor wick here, and then it occurs on a first and third candlestick. Right, you can just see it now. This is as a result of an imbalance that would have occurred on our chart. So we tend to see a wick gets created, a candlestick crosses, and then another wick gets created again. This creates what we call a fair value gap just around this range. So this is actually part of our institutional levels, so we just have to wait for the charts to drop back to tap on our fair value gap, and from here we watch out for the reaction of our charts, and we can start storming into our trades. Okay, so we're just expecting something like this, taps on our range here and then start pushing up, what they call the price just bounces out of our region, and then we just use our stop loss as the most recent low on our charts there, like that. So for now we just wait and see how this plays out. So we're having about 59k, just almost $60,000. Okay, so this just tapped on our region. You can just see it just tapped on our region of our FVG. You can just see that. Now we're watching out for the reaction. Okay, it seems to have gotten rejected again. This seems to be heading towards the bottom. All right. Okay, guys, let's go into some trades. You can just see this stuff. This stuff already tapped on our region just like that here, and it seems like it's getting rejected already. So let's just trigger some trades. All right. Now it's still dropping down. Okay, this is still dropping down. Okay, I'm thinking on adding some more trades, but I want to see if it goes lower. I want to see. You see, this will just be our range of stop loss just in case. So let's just place our stop loss. Okay, now I want to add some more trades, guys. It's getting towards our stop loss, I know, but that's our most recent low. Now if we look at the concept of FVG, it shouldn't cross our most previous low. It's not like it's impossible, but that happens on really rare occasions, right? So because of that, let's just watch out for our FVG. Let's just follow the principle of our FVG. Okay, I want to add some more trades. This look like a good zone. All right, that's very close to our SL, guys. That's very close to our stop loss. That's really close to our stop loss. Okay, it got rejected there. So yeah, it tends to have just respected the theory of our FVG. Okay, so this is what we're having, right? Just yeah, we're still in losses. The chart is just madly volatile currently. I don't know why. This is not making any sense at all. This is not making any sense at all. Well, it's cool, guys. It's cool. We just watch out and see what happens now on our chart. Just watch out and see. It is pretty volatile. Okay, guys, just remember that the FVG is actually, we look at our first and third candlestick. We ignore the middle candlestick. And so we want to watch out for the imbalance that gets created between the wick of our first candlestick and the wick of our third candlestick. Okay, well, the chart seems to be acting really nicely. Got rejected from our zone just before tapping on our SL, but seems to be wasting a lot of time also. Yeah, it's going back to our range of FVG already. It's going back to the range already. So the target is just to push our account. Let's see if we can hit like 100k, and that will be it. That will just be it. That's the target. That will be the target. Because even as at now, the risk on our account has really reduced because we triggered some more trades at the bottom, and then that's our SL. So yeah, technically we're safe. Technically we're safe. Well, not like extremely safe, because if, okay, this is moving, this is not bad. Not like extremely safe, because if this stuff goes wrong, I think we'll lose around like 8k or so, something like $8,000. So $8,000, $9,000 or so. Okay, so this is what we're having. Okay, All right, so now we're running okay, just crash, but then it is just approximately like $10,000 that we're running, right? $10,000. Now we're running about $17,000. You can just see this. Well, it crashed the NOS again or what? Like that was okay, it's fine. So it's still just around that range here. I think it crashed a bit, but it's still pushing up towards the highs. It's within our range of our FVG now, so that's good news. That's good news. It got rejected from our previous low on the chart there. Okay, it's about 14K. That's 15 now. All right. Well, on 5 minutes time frame, this doesn't look bad at all. This looks like it's pushing up really nicely. The formations are really nice. You can see a multiple bullish candlesticks, meaning more buyers are actually joining the stop. You see, more buyers are seeing a lot of buyers that understand how our FVG work. This over 20K, they're actually joining up on this trade now, and that's adding up to the momentum of the chart, like just flying into the highs, because more buyers can now see the FVG. Okay, so we're getting close to our target now. We're getting close. It's just about 16K, because it dropped a little bit, but it's fine. From 20 to like 14 now. Well, it's okay. It's okay. This will require a lot of patience. So this is about 27K now. 28K. You can see that this is just still moving really nicely, like really nicely. You can just see this. Okay. Hold up. Yeah, that's 25, right? 25K. Yeah, we're getting close to 100K already. We're getting really close, because we're running about $84,000 of equity currently. 84K of equity. And guys, when you're trading, you don't have to use a lot of risk like this. Like I always tell you, you can just trade. So this is about $43,000 now. You can just see this. This is actually very clean, guys. This is very clean. So we basically hit our targets, but then you can see it's still within our range of FVG. But because we are using a lot of risk on this account, remember we're risking about 10K or so. Let's just say 10K or so, even though I think calculations like 10K. But you can see all our levels around this region, right? This is our first region. We stomped into some more trades around this region again like that. Okay, we went into the first one, then when it crashed down, then we went into some more trades. Okay guys, I think we can leave this trade now. I think we can leave this trade. I think good. So now we're having just about $101,000. Yeah, that's over 100K already. Over 100K around this range, just like that. And then if you check our stop, these are just all of our trades, and these are about $41,000 that we were able to pick from our charts, just like that, right? So guys, yeah, we're able to hit our target. Now, this doesn't mean that FVG, our fair value gap, will always work all the time, like I always say. And this also doesn't mean that whenever you see your fair value gap, you just use a lot of risk or something like that. In our case here, like I was saying, I was risking between $8,000 to $10,000, right? On my $60,000 account. That's actually a lot of risk when you come to think of it. So when you're trading on your own, use the minimum risks as possible. Also, don't forget, guys, the registration for our mentorship course 100 is currently still going on right now as we speak. If you want to register, the link is in the description box. You can also scan the QR code right there now. And then on that, on a mentorship course 100, I will actually be teaching one-on-one live through Zoom. This registration will also place you in a private channel for 12 months straight. You will also gain access to our best trading robot and indicator on the website. I will also be trading directly live on our mentorship course 100. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. So bye from me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace. Yeah.
Lambo, faster, NASDAQ, making that money like Elon Musk. FX, Forex, big money, T-Rex, any which way we making the green. That's what they say, me and my G's, we work as a team. That's what they say, yeah. Tiger, meta, trader, MP5.